Hello, namaskar, assalamu alaikum, sat sri akal, kem cho? I'm Rishabh Chatterjee and welcome to the unboxing of the OnePlus 3 soft gold color. Let's get started. So this is the packaging, really nice. And actually today is 19th and this what is that, Amazon the Great Indian Festival is going on. Wow, white color case, and this is the soft gold. So I don't know how many of you have seen the soft gold color. So this is soft gold. I think box is the same. OnePlus 3 manufacture October 2016. Soft gold 27,999. Okay, so no discount on Amazon. It's exactly the same price. Okay, so let's open it. Chalo, open karenge. And if you guys I don't know whether you know or not, but there's this OnePlus Dash Festival. Something is going on. OnePlus Dash Festival or something. You'll see text on the screen now. And the dates are, I think, 24th to 26th. On those dates, what is going to happen? On those dates, how do I open this? To tear off the box, huh? What kind of opening is this? Okay, from behind, I'll just tear it with my nail. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, okay. So what is going on? This is the box and I am tearing it. So yeah, so OnePlus Dash Festival or sale will happen on 24th, 25th, 26th, I think. And what is that? So you'll be getting OnePlus 3 phone, that is the soft gold, and also some accessories that OnePlus will be giving at ₹1. Yes, ₹1. So the link will be in the description. Just go on that link and then you have to like sign up. Wow. Acha, so now let me show you the phone. Enough of the talking. And this is how the phone looks. गिर तो नहीं जाएगा? अच्छा, ऐसे दिखता है. ऐसे दिखता है, कैसे दिखता है, मस्त है. Okay. I don't do that many unboxings, so okay. So the top tray, I'm taking it out for now. Mast. Okay, one booklet. What is written? And we get a dash charge adapter, dash charge cable, and this is USB-C. Okay, so finally let's look at the phone, and here is the OnePlus 3 soft gold. Soft gold. And there's a screen protector also. So good, no need to remove and all. No need to put one more screen cover. Fixed. Because putting screen cover is something that I don't want to do. It just bubbles and all, they come up sometimes, and it's really bad looking at a new phone with bubbles and all. Okay, so what is written? The center of back camera is the center of NFC sensor. Notice, place your SIM in the SIM card tray, then insert the tray back into the device. Please do not insert your SIM directly into the device. Okay, SIM card tray is there, no? Warning, please do not attempt to disassemble the back cover. OnePlus is not responsible for any damage arising from unauthorized disassembly of the device. You may contact our customer support for help or other enquiries. As this protector contains important information about this device, we recommend that it is kept for future reference. Okay, we'll keep it for future reference. Inside this is where the phone was, and if you open like this and ta-da, SIM ejector, quick start guide, safety information. Arey, nikal gaya. Okay, so let me just show you. Quick start guide, sticker, OnePlus. I like stickers. And quick start guide. And what is this? Safety information. Safety information. So we'll keep that and all aside. And let's boot up the device. Acha, so let me give you an overview. So in the front we have how much megapixel camera? 8 megapixel. I hope so. 5.5 inch full HD screen, AMOLED, fingerprint scanner. On the left we have the alert slider, volume rockers. On the right we have the power button, SIM tray. Top is empty, nothing is there. Down we have the 3.5 mm headphone jack. Yes. After iPhone has come, 3 headphone jack. If a phone has headphone jack, it is something like a feature. Type C, then the speakers. Behind we have what, 16 megapixel camera with flash, and below that OnePlus logo, and it's pretty slim and it feels like sturdy in the hand. Doesn't feel like I have the S7 and when you hold in the hand that feels like it's too fragile, but this at least feels solid, steady. Okay, vibration, and OnePlus powered by Android. Animation coming up. Now this is the first boot, so it might take longer. I don't know exactly because this is my first time with any OnePlus device. Okay, welcome English, United States. Swift key plus emoji. Okay, we get Swift key. Free. Should I choose Swift key or Google? Okay, I'll just connect to my Geo and then I'll get back. I'll just skip it for now. Yeah, I'll just skip it. Time. This India. Do we have India? Oh my god, my nails are so big. Time to cut it. What do I select? Kolkata? Do we have Kolkata? Indian Standard Time? Do we have Indian Standard Time? What the heck? Why is there no search option? Kolkata. Yes, Kolkata. Today is 19th of 19th of what is this? What? There's no, I can't select the month. October 19th. Okay. Time is now, what's the time? 8:52. Oh no, let me select. Oh, I can't do that. I have to do like this. I can't change I manually enter. 8:52 a.m. 8:52 p.m. Next. Okay, name. Just more. Forget the name. No thanks. Letter. Skip anyway. Okay. We will now help you personal. Oh my god. How long is this process? No, I will use hardware buttons. Gesture. For now, no. Okay, our device is set up and ready to use. Finally. Welcome, wallpaper. Okay, got it. Forget it. Okay, so finally, after a lot of setup, we are finally inside. And yeah, this was the unboxing and my impressions. First impressions. Okay. Fine. Afterwards, I'll learn. Not now. What is this? How do I go back? Got it. I hope you enjoyed this. I don't know, short or long, but my first experience with the OnePlus 3. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, then do hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And share it to your friends. It's free. Just share it everywhere. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye. I will see you in my next video.